Hello, it's Kate here. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I'm going to be unboxing my Papercraft Society subscription box. This is box number 18 and it is by Cardmaking Magic. Now I do appreciate that I've only just recently unboxed number 17, but unfortunately it was slightly delayed and then this one is on time. So that's just the joys of living through a pandemic, I think. Now if you do like what you see today and you'd like to sign up to these boxes, I will leave a referral link in the description box of this video, and that will save yourself and me some money off of one box. So if you'd like to use it, it will be in the description box of the video. So let's jump straight into the unboxing. Now this is the first time that I can remember we've actually had a picture on the box. We normally have like patterns or watercolor type boxes, but we've actually got a really clear image on the box and I absolutely love it. So let's open the box and see what is inside. So the first thing that is written on the lid is crafting is collating lots of pretty elements and fixing them together with 3D foam pads and tape, and then it's signed off by Christina. So we have our wallet, we have our tissue paper, and we also have a piece of paper which is 5 chances to win a share of £250 worth of prizes, and all you have to do is go onto Craftworld and share your makes with this box using the hashtag Papercraft Society. So let's have a look and see what we have this month. Now, because I know I like the card making magic boxes, I didn't watch the unboxing video that Craft Stash put up, so you're seeing this like me for the first time. So look, we have those beautiful flowers again. Okay, let's have a look. Make your dies cuts go further by snipping into them for extra shapes. So this is the die set we have. So we have a really pretty frame. We have like I think that's like a border die. That looks like a bottle. Some more edging dies. This flower that's featured throughout the box. Some ovals, some flowers and a bow. So that's interesting. That's like a butterfly there. So it's an interesting selection. They do normally correlate with the stamps, so it'd be interesting to see what stamps we have. So next section, oh, it's the stamps, and it says, I love the soft and delicate designs you can achieve with pastel colours. Let's have a look at these stamps. Wow, look at those. I love this one. It's like a frame. It's gorgeous. And then we have some sentiments. We've got just to say, may today bring health and happiness to you and those you love. We've got sunshine friend, and there we've got like an Easter egg there. We have the edging stamps, so these don't really correlate to the dies, which is unusual but not the end of the world. That's a really pretty one as well, so I really like that one. Very excited for that. Let's see what's in the last section. Let's just pop those back in there. So the last section says, building up layers and textures makes your card extra special. Okay, so there is an embossing folder. It's quite an interesting design. And we have the papers. So again, these flowers that are featured all through the box design. We have 2 of those. We have a stripy one. Wow, look at that. It's like freesias. I love that one. It's beautiful. We have this one again, the flowers from the box. Really pretty, and this is like a quilted design. So we have 2 of those. So those are the papers that we're getting in this month's box. So let's do our tissue paper and see what is in here. I like the pale yellow, it's very spring-like. Oh, I spy inks. Okay, so we have some new inks. We have a purple, a green, and like a limey green colour. We've got some organza ribbon. There's a fair bit there. We have our card. So when in doubt, add a flourish with pearls and ribbon. And it's a verse library. Have you made a beautiful handmade card and then struggled for inspiration of what to write in? These verses may be just what you're looking for. And then there's just a whole load of verses there. Let's put these to one side. We have our inspiration booklet. This comes with every single box, so there will be bits about card making magic here. Then there's a page that lists everything that should be in the book, so you can check it off. And then as you go through, it is jam-packed with inspiration on how to use the elements of your books. There's a little interview with Christina there. And then a few different people have done the inspiration. Obviously ads for card making magic. So there's a fair few things in there. And her top 5 products at the back. So that's the inspiration booklet. And then lastly, we have our coordinating cardstock. And these are always really good quality card. So we have 2 lime green, we have 2 really beautiful deep purple, we have 2 spring yellow, and we have 2 of this kind of moss green. So really nice colour palette. Okay, so that is everything that came in this box number 18 for Papercraft Society. I hope you've enjoyed having a look with me, and I cannot wait to start crafting with this box. Now, next month is going to be a sellout box, I think. So if you want it, you're going to have to get in fast, because next month's box is by Sam Calcott from Mixed Up Crafts, and I cannot wait. Her last box was in July last year because it was in time for my birthday, and the next box is by Sam. So I've seen it advertised. I've not looked because I just know I'm going to love whatever she's done, and I am really excited. But for now, I'm going to crack on with crafting with all these lovely goodies. I hope everyone is safe and well. If you're not already a subscriber, please do consider subscribing to my channel. I have a lot of different things going on, which hopefully you will enjoy watching. Thank you so much for joining me today. I will be back soon with more videos. So take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.